Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this one we're going to be assembling this vehicle. So just take the sprue cutters that you have and cut away the supports. So careful as you cut away the supports there. Go ahead and do the other side. Just that little support thing underneath the headlight. Careful not to confuse the headlight with the support. You don't want to cut the headlight off too. Now let's remove the support from underneath the little gun as well. And go ahead and move to the next piece, removing the support from underneath the little gun. For small scales, pay extra attention. Same for this one. Next is this piece. Just take and cut the sprues. There's some sprues on these pieces. Just cut like I'm showing you here. Clean up the sprue marks. Now the sprues on the wheels. Before you put the glue, there's one last piece to cut the supports from. It's right here. So pay special attention as I cut this away to see how it's done. Now you can glue the two pieces together. Just put some glue like this and glue the two pieces of the body together. Good, like that. Once that's dry, put this back piece on. Put some glue like that. Up next, while that's drying, let's go ahead and glue together these turrets. So just put some glue like this and glue the turrets together. Same for this one. Pay special attention to how the features line up to each piece. Up next, we have some spare tires to glue. So go ahead and just put some glue on the side of the vehicle there. And you want to put the dually tire on this side of the vehicle, the left side of the vehicle. And then the other spare tire on the right side. And pay special attention to those tires too, because the spare tires look different than the regular tires. The hubcaps, whatever. And now glue this little bumper like that. Now we're going to put this back piece on, so just put the glue there and I'll show you how to put that back piece onto the model. Last but not least is the wheels. Go ahead and glue them on, where the center of the axle goes in the center of the wheel. And I think that's enough explaining for that. Just watch and learn and repeat. Well, now, the exact same process for the other side. That's it. That's it for this vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.